Good morning to one and all. Today's program is conducted by class 11th. Biofuel Day is celebrated on 9th of August. Biofuel, any fuel that is derived from biomass, that is plant or algae material or animal waste. Since such feedstock material can be replenished readily, biofuel is considered to be a source of renewable energy unlike fossil fuels such as petroleum, coal and natural gas.
Hello everyone, I am here to talk about the topic technical approach on biofuel. Unlike other renewable sources, biomass can be directly converted into liquid fluids known as biofuels, which can be used to meet the transportation fuel needs. The most commonly used biofuels today are ethanol and biodiesel. Both of them represent the first generation of biofuel technology. Technologies that are needed for the production of heat and electricity includes combustion, gasification, pyrolysis and anaerobic digestion. Technologies that are needed for the production of biofuels are biochemical or thermochemical conversion process to break down feedstocks of biomass into transportation fuels. Thank you.
Biofuel in this current world has so many uses. Biofuel have been used widely for transportation purpose. It can be converted into a hydrogen steam that can be used for fuel cells. Biofuel can also be used for cooking purpose. Recent studies have also shown that it can be used to generate electricity. Another important use of biofuel is that it can replace the toxic products that are used to remove paint and adhesives. It can also be used for lubrication purpose.
Biogas is produced by using natural raw materials such as farm waste, food waste and sea waste sludge. We put it inside a sealed tank which contain bacteria and other microorganisms which respire anaerobically and which digest different feedstocks in the absence of oxygen to produce biogas. This biogas can be used for energy. Biogas is a renewable resource and inside the tank it is about the temperature of 35 degrees Celsius or hotter up to an extent of 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, which depend upon the type of microorganism in it. And the biogas is collected in the outlet of the tank, which contains 60% of methane and 40% of carbon dioxide. It's used to generate electricity and even fuel.
When we are discussing about some of the advantages of biofuels, biofuels are a renewable source of energy, unlike other natural resources like coal, petroleum and even nuclear fuels. They are the best way of reducing the emission of greenhouse gases and harmful gases. Moreover, it is easily available in the region of the world and the energy release per unit mass of biofuel is greater than the energy release per unit mass of fossil fuel.
Biofuel is a fuel that is produced through contemporary process from biomass rather than by the very slow geological process involved in the formation of fossil fuels such as oil. Since biomass technically can be used as fuel directly, they are used in many countries. Top 5 countries which use biomass for their needs are America, India, Brazil, Argentina and Germany. India is ranked 12th for producing biofuels and they are used for transportation, cooking, removing paint from walls, houses and for lubricating. Thank you.
Department of Biotechnology has been promoting R&D for biofuel technology development, recognizing the need for clean and renewable energy for transportation. Department has taken significant efforts in this direction with major focus on second generation biofuels, a platform created to connect more than 200 scientists working in biofuel area.
There are various advantages of biofuels, but the advantages of biofuels or other fuels are that they are renewable. The fossil fuels are not renewable. The impact of biofuels on our health is very lesser as they are not toxic, but the fossil fuels are toxic and they include some byproducts also. The sources of biofuels are modern plants and organic waste, but the fossil fuels are formed from the organisms that are dead and remain in the soil for hundreds of years. The state of industry of biofuels are growing and the fossil fuels are declining, and the biofuels can be produced from safer methods, but the fossil fuels are formed and produced from unsafer methods such as drilling and milling. These are the major advantages of biofuels or other fuels.
That's all to define about the biofuels. Now let's discuss some initiative measures taken by the Government of India. The Government of India has taken a number of initiative measures to increase the blending of biofuels. Example, amending the provisions of the Industries Act 1951. These interventions of the Government of India have shown positive results. The government has approved the National Policy on Biofuels 2018 in June 2018. Wood and grasses are some good examples of biofuels as they grow relatively quickly. Thus, we can say that biofuels can be used for